country boy to do. But blue balloons, what the hell am I supposed to do?
All she listens to is Drake in the weekend. Like you don't even know I be sitting here in this car.
Like it's all we've got, 'cause for all that we know, would you lie, will I lie, but you
Brought to you by my friends at Luden's. Luden's cough drops, always in my guitar case.
We gotta give big ups to Luden's. Thanks to Luden's for helping us put this whole thing together. We appreciate you guys.
But honestly, I appreciate you guys being here tonight, hanging with me, and also really thankful to Luden's for putting this on and for supporting a musician and supporting us.
Thank you to Luden's for sponsoring this live stream.